Piecing on foundation paper allows you to create complex or unusual designs with precision and ease. Place fabric 1 right side down and the foundation right side up, ensuring that the entire area of section 1 is covered. Pin carefully in place. With fabrics 1 and 2 right sides together against the back of the paper, hold it to the light. You should have a 1/4 inch seam extending into section 2. Carefully fold fabric 2 down to ensure it completely covers section 2. Use a 90-14 size needle and a short stitch length. This will help the paper tear off easily. Stitch the line between section 1 and 2, extending the stitching into the seam allowances on the foundation. Open the pieces and finger press the seam, creasing as necessary. Flip the unit over and fold along the stitched line. Fold fabric 2 out of the way, then trim for a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Use a straight edge to fold along the line between section 2 and 3. Line up fabric 3 with trimmed edge of section 2, holding the pieces to the light to ensure you have a 1/4 inch seam allowance and the patch covers the shape completely. Sew along the stitching line. Finger press open. If you have additional patches, add them in the same manner in numerical order. When your unit is finished, press it with your iron. Trim excess paper and fabric along the outer cutting lines. A larger rotary cutter like this 60mm cutter from Havel Sewing will cut through paper and fabric easily. Join all of your units to complete the final block. Once complete, carefully tear off the paper pattern. For areas completely sewn in, use a pin to score the paper. Paper foundation piecing allows you to achieve sharp angles and unusual shapes, opening you up to new and interesting quilt designs.